In this demonstration, we're going to go over how to open a Mathspace that's been assigned in Google Classroom, complete the work, and submit it back to our teacher. To start, we need to make sure that we're logged into the Google Chrome browser with our school account and that we can see the EquatIO extension. Right now, I'm in a Google Classroom that my teacher has set up, and I'm going to click on the Classwork tab at the top of the page. This will take me to the assignments and the work that the teacher has assigned to me. And I can see that there is an Estimation Toronto Raptors assignment that's been assigned. So let's click View Assignment. And you'll notice from this page, I can directly go into the EquatIO Mathspace that the teacher has created for me. So the teacher has asked me to do the following. Estimate the height of Raptors point guard Kyle Lowry. Show your work. And then I see a few different things on the screen. So I have a picture of Kyle Lowry. I have a basketball. And I know that the diameter of the basketball is 24 centimeters. So we can use this basketball to help us estimate Kyle Lowry's height. Just before we do that, let's have a look at what some of the functions on the EquatIO page are, on the Mathspace page are rather. So at the top, we have a number of different features. We can delete, copy, paste. So there are a number of features along the top, and there are a few features along the bottom. So there's the EquatIO toolbar with an equation editor where you can enter text and math. There is a handwriting recognition tool where you can write in math on a touchscreen device. There is a speech input tool, a freehand drawing tool, and a few other things too. So to start, what we'll do is we'll select the picture of the basketball. And when an image is selected, I can then go up to the copy and to the paste feature. So let's move this over on top of Kyle so that we can estimate how tall he is. And I can paste a few other basketballs and then just line them up vertically. Okay, let's start with that. So if I just place them next to one another, okay, so there we go. And we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 basketballs, and they are each 24 centimeters in diameter. So at this point, I should probably show my calculations. And so if we can go to our handwriting recognition tool, and I can just write 8 times 24 centimeters equals 192 centimeters. If I'm happy with that, I can just click Insert Math at the bottom right of my screen. And I can clear this and close this. And that is my calculation. 8 times 24 centimeters is 192 centimeters. I can also make a sentence with this and answer in a sentence. So if I go to my equation editor and I want to write some text, so I want to start writing a sentence, I will click on the T button, Insert Text, and write Kyle Lowry is about 192 centimeters tall. And then I can click Insert, and I can close that again and just move it down. Okay, so there's my calculation and my sentence that I can submit back to my teacher. And when I am ready to submit back to my teacher, there is a blue button at the top right of my screen. I just click Submit, and it is sending the assignment to my teacher. Great. So I can go ahead and close this Mathspace, And just for good practice, it's good to go back to your classroom page and just mark this assignment as done. So it says here I didn't attach any work, but I did submit it through the EquatIO Mathspace, so I can go ahead and mark this as done. You do have a record of everything that you have submitted through Mathspace. So if you want to see what you have submitted to your teacher, you can go to equatio.texthelp.com. And along the left-hand side, there is a menu, and you can click right on Submitted Assignments. And here is my assignment that I just submitted. So estimation Toronto Raptors, and I see when exactly I submitted it. And I can actually click on my submission just to see what I've done. And that is how you complete and submit an assignment in EquatIO Mathspace.